All right. So, so as you know, so many brand new beginners, they are coming online and they are trying to make money online, right? So as they come online and they are, they've gotten into different programs and they have been struggling to make some money. They are having a lot of challenges. And let me tell you, one of those main challenge that they are having is traffic. and that's true, right? It's not like many people don't know how to get traffic, but they are not getting it in a way that they are able to make sales and make money. So one of the few things I have learned over the years is traffic and conversion, right? So you do your best to get as much traffic as you can. And then you look for programs that convert them to sales easily, right? That's just how it works. So most people are in different programs that doesn't convert those traffic to sale. And that's a big challenge for them. So that's why when you join our team in the TeamBuilders free traffic rotator system, what we do for you is simple. We give you traffic for free. It's amazing, right? How easy we just give it to you. So most of the traffic that we have generated, we just send them your way. And that has helped some of our team members to start building their list, okay, and also making money because, like the money is in the list. The reason why I could literally give you free traffic when you join our team is because I have built my list over time, right? And you now starting, it may be a challenge for you, but because you are part of my team, I just give you the traffic for free, completely free of charge. And you are now able to build your list and then hopefully start making those sales. It's simple. That's the way we have helped our team members. And that's what we're going to do for you when you join us in the TeamBuilders free traffic rotator system. So what you want to do, if that is your intention, if you have been struggling and you've been having a lot of difficulties in making sales, you don't even know how to generate traffic, what you want to do, go to the link in the description above, okay? Click that link, put in your email address, right? Now, listen, when it comes to the email address, I always repeat this. Make sure that your email address is brand new. So before you rush to go and set up your system, I will highly recommend that you first of all get a brand new email address that is working perfectly, that you have never used before, so that you click on that link, put in that name and email, and then that will get you to joining the TeamBuilders. Now, when you have joined TeamBuilders and you have now gotten your link, then you come back to me and then I will add that your link to our TeamBuilders Rotator link. And then we start promoting your link for you, so that, your business just starts off immediately. You don't have to spend so much time looking for traffic. We just give you traffic, right? So that's the way it works. So once you become a full team builder, then you are now qualified to join our team, Rotator, all right? And then we just do the rest for you. So this is good for brand new beginners, for people who really wants to make high ticket commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,000 per sale. This is good, right? So this opens your ability to do that without you stressing anymore, because we found out that traffic is the biggest problem. So that's why we keep building our list bigger and bigger, so that we can help our team members also make money for free, right? Just do it for you for free. All right. So this makes your system completely 100%, right? Where we do most of the promotions for you, because that is where we find people having problem. I get a lot of people, they come in and ask me questions. Most of the time, they always are, how do I get traffic? How do I get traffic, right? Now, when you join TeamBuilders, you are going to learn, they are going to teach you how to get traffic, right? But the learning curve is something else. It may take you a while to learn. And that is where we step in, right? We don't want you to be in the learning curve for so long, right? So what we do, we start promoting your link for you. That's all we do, right? We start promoting your link for you, and that is powerful, amazing. So even if you are totally brand new, right? You don't have any technical skills, it doesn't matter, right? And one thing I like about TeamBuilders is when you join TeamBuilders, they are going to give you a lot of things, right? They are going to give you a free autoresponder and email marketing system. So literally, they are doing that for you. So, and they will set up your autoresponder. Do you know how much autoresponder costs now? If you rate it over a year or two, you are going to be paying thousands of dollars. But you are going to get that for free when you join the TeamBuilders. That's powerful, right? Now, that's not all. You're also going to get website builders. So that's where they build your website, build your funnels, and other things. So many other things you get from TeamBuilders. You're going to get it for free, all right? And that is amazing. And that is why you see it's easy for our business to grow, because you don't struggle for anything with TeamBuilders, right? So technical skill, you don't need to have any technical skill, like I say, because they will set up everything for you and just give you your link. And that is the link that you send to me. And then I'm able to add you to our TeamBuilders free traffic rotator system, where we start sending you traffic almost immediately we get your link. Once we put your link in the rotator, you start seeing those traffic going in. It's powerful, right? So with this system, initially you don't need a lot of traffic, because we are going to be doing the traffic thing for you. All right. You don't need to really promote, right? So if you don't really know how to promote, you are in luck, because that's what we're doing. When we are sending traffic to your link, we are literally promoting for you, right? You don't need to recruit anybody, right? That's what it means. So you are not the one doing any of the recruiting, because technically, we are doing that for you when we start sending you those free traffic. You don't need to sell anything, right? So it's a done-for-you system. So you don't need to sell anything at all, okay? You don't need any experience. So this is good. Even if you are brand new, you don't need any experience of your own, and you don't need to pay any monthly fees, because there's just a one-time setup fee. So once you pay that one-time setup fee, that's all, right? You don't need any monthly fees at all. And this is a worldwide program, so it doesn't really matter where you are in the world. You can be part of the TeamBuilders free traffic rotator system. It doesn't matter where you are in the world, right? It's so amazing that we get to do this. Now, when you send your link, those of you who are already in the team, you know what I take, right? You are going to send me your mega link. Okay, now there's a reason why we promote the mega link. You see, I am giving out most of my traffic to you. So that means that they don't know you. You get it, right? So they don't really know you. So what we try to do is to promote the mega link. Okay, now this is good, because by promoting the mega link to the list or to the traffic, you are going to earn 200% commissions. Do you get that? Now, that makes you good money, right? You are going to earn 200% commissions whenever a sale is made, right? And that is amazing. So you get 200% commission on the Mega Link sale. And remember, as we send in the traffic to your link and you start making this 200% commission, you are also building your own team. Do you get it now? So we are helping you to build your team for you already, which is powerful without you spending any more money. Well, it's crazy, right? So we help you to build your team. And remember, when your team members start promoting their own mega link, okay, and then they start getting sale, you also make 200% commission. This is why it's crazy wide, right? So you make money when your team members buy anything, and you also make money when they sell anything in the system. This is crazy. But that is not all. The joker is this. You now have the opportunity to earn high ticket commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,600 per sale. And you don't have to lift a finger. You know why? The TeamBuilders system does all that for you on their own. The company itself, they do all the follow-up on your behalf. So you don't have to do any follow-up if you don't want to, right? They do all the follow-up for you. And by them doing the follow-up, do you know what that means? They send out emails on your behalf every day to your leads. So we send the traffic for you. We generate those leads for you. And then the system takes over automatically. It follows up with your lead, invites them to webinars. So even if you don't want to invite your leads to webinar, they do that for you automatically, right? They invite your leads to webinars, then they train your leads. You get me, right? Right now they are teaching the leads on they are teaching all of us, because I'm included, right? They are teaching us on how to get more views on Facebook for free. You get me? So you can see they are doing a lot of training and teaching the leads, and then they are also closing the sales. So the TeamBuilder system have a phone call team that closes sales for us. So that's why I don't have to worry about how to close sales. I don't care. I don't bother about that. I don't call anybody except they call me, because the TeamBuilder system does that already. They close the sales for you by phone call. And that's why it's easier for us to now make high ticket sales. How do you like that, right? So you can see that when I say this is close to 100% done for you, where we work with you to make you successful online, whether you are just brand new or what, we still work with you, right? We teach you all our own marketing skill, but that is not all. We promote your link for you. It's crazy, right? So if you have been thinking that, look, this is the kind of thing I need, I'm a very busy professional, or that you have like mothers who have kids, you don't have time to take care of, you to focus on your kids and also focus on building an online business from scratch. This is good, right? Because now we do the promotions for you. We send out traffic on your behalf, and we continue to send those traffic, right? Which is good. Okay. So all you do, you join our team and let us send you traffic for free. So like I said, if you want to join my team, go to the link in the description above or to my profile. Now, like I said again, what you need to have a brand new email address. So don't use any email you have been using in the past, right? You want to use a brand new email address. You want to go to Gmail and set up a brand new email address. It's free of charge. Then once you have that, then you come to the link and join the link, and then join the TeamBuilders system. That's just it, right? So once you join the TeamBuilders system, then you get your mega link, and then you send me your link. And then I'm going to add you to our TeamBuilders free traffic rotator system. Okay. And that is what we are using right now to help our team members to start getting sales. And even though we don't guarantee sales, right? Like I don't guarantee anybody any sale, because I'm not God. It's only God that can guarantee anybody's sale. But the way we've been going, a lot of the team members are getting sales already, and that is more important to us, because that means whatsoever we are doing is working. Okay, and you can plug into it right now by joining the TeamBuilders through my link, because you have to join through my link, right? If your name doesn't appear in my back office, I won't put you in the rotator, right? So you have to join through my link, and that's why my link is up there in the description. And like I said, make sure you are using a brand new email address that you've never used before, so that you make sure you land on my back office. Because if we don't see your name there, we are not going to give you those free traffic, right? All right. Now, if you have any question concerning the TeamBuilders free traffic system rotator, you can always private DM me, okay? And if you have, like I said, if you have any question, just privately DM me, okay? And if you like this video, click the like button, click the share button, so that other people who have been struggling to make money online, this is a way out. And, the more we have in our team, the better, the more traffic we get. As more people join our team, we get more traffic. And more people are going to be helped, right? So that's amazing. So click the link. If you're interested, click on my link, join the TeamBuilders system. If you have questions, privately DM me. And if you like this video and this style of helping other people to make money online, click the like button, click the share button. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.